I don't come again for this our entertainment news where we not the door as it dey hot now with the spill. Hot. Today we don't come with another Ogbonge story, another Ogbonge this. If this one are the first time when you come across any of our videos, I beg make una do where to subscribe. And as you subscribe, don't forget to like, share, and also they drop your opinion concerning what we dey talk for this our segment. So today I want to talk about Zazu. Everybody know Portable now. You know, say last week, he motor get accident and the motor was like damaged. He can carry a motor go give a mechanic with the repair am. So one of the mechanic, the guy in charge to repair the motor, come they do video of the car. He got the video and say this motor don't badge, he don't bail. Say he don't buy this motor, nothing there to repair for this motor. He can show us everywhere for the motor, the under, the bottom, the engine, everything. Say press go inside. Because say the money where they go to repair the motor, he go reach to buy another one. Say make the owner just kukuma give pusher, make the job pusher the motor. Say the parts come out you know how they take the pusher motor and say you not get what you want to do for this kind of motor matter. We can't even the video they laugh but before we know we don't see news or say our Mr. Zazu don't go I want arrest the mechanical. Say waiting give the mechanic that right to the video a motor they talk say a motor na scrap, a motor na this, a motor na that. Say he not get that right to now the matter they judge since we did there since they look the matter. Anyway, people this I don't feel laugh because this is a big pass me. I don't feel just laugh at all. But true, I don't see any reason why the mechanic will actually go the video that kind of thing. No. When the talk say, he can come and talk say, he no say na Portable get the motor. Say I wish you know if for no video round. Say even as a video round that people can still carry go the video. Say everyone expects other people to go the video round. Say make Zazu, Mr. Portable, not vessel. He can they plead in the beg. But before you can reach all this one, so where you can they plead the beg, was it actually necessary? I know say everything for Nigeria we want turn out to cruise. Waiting we not say in never supposed to we're not supposed to react, so waiting we're not supposed to carry as fun. We will be Nigerians who could just turn out to another thing, they follow and carry and they laugh. Serious matter. But you get some things we're not just what to the cruise put. I don't see no reason why you go the video that kind of, well now from my own opinion I think I see no reason why you go do that kind of the video motor where don't damage it or say where the person go how you expect the person to feel when at the year say that motor now 250 million naira. That's not a small money. How do you expect the owner to feel? Anyway, my people will show on a small video. Make una see where the guy they apologize to Mr. Zazu say. Make una watch this video to the end.
I here with me have a G-Wagon 2014 accidental, okay? And we have look. To do this car will be difficult. Let's just say 90%. In short, it's difficult, but I just want to show you guys how the accident looks like. The advice and the money, the owner, I'm not in the owner's pocket. If he has the money, we can bring it back to life, but it will take a lot of time. So this is it. This is the car. Look at the front. The engine is even affected, and there's a lot of money. So look at the beam. This is not too much of work. The best thing for the person to get this motor, make him bush out more, make him sell him scrap. You understand? So the accident is very, very bad. Let's go. Let me show you guys the undercome. See the under of the car. Look at it. This is what we call beam. I've tried this before. I suffered a lot before I did that. But this one, the way I'm seeing this one, I don't want to have issue with the owner. Beg. This one is right off.
I posted a G-Wagon 2015 that was brought to my company for a repair. And I gave my honest opinion on what I saw. And it has come to my knowledge that that car belongs to Zazu, which is Portable. And another one is I've been seeing videos flying around that was taken without my concept. And I'm using that opportunity to say, Zazu, we are sorry for any inconvenience, anything that it might cost you. Thank you very much and God bless you.
So my people, I don't watch the apology, I don't see the video, but I feel concerning this matter. Portable go far to say you want to arrest this boy, I be you not go far. I would like to know which one thing drop now opinion for comment section, and make una not forget to like and share this video where people know wetin dey sup for this our entertainment industry. Anyway, this our entertainment industry now, laugh and laugh. Now be everything person they take serious, true sha. So forget cruise matter, but not be everything person they take serious. Until we meet another day for another entertainment things, make una stay safe. Una done.